Wondering what hemp fabric is all about? Do watch out this video till end to know more. Hello, namaskar. This is your friend Tushar from Charu Creation Private Limited, a fashion fabric store spread in an area of 8,000 square feet at Nehru Place, New Delhi. For the last 35 plus years, we have been successfully delivering fashion fabrics to the apparel manufacturers and designers. Our collection of forecast and trends-oriented 21,000 plus unique fashion fabrics have enabled us in increasing the profitability ranging from rupees 19,000 to rupees 63 lakhs of our 11,000 plus customers spread across 50 plus countries. So hemp fabric is a type of textile that is made using fibers from the stalks of the Cannabis sativa plant. This plant has been recognized as a source of extraordinarily tensile and durable textile fibers for millennia, but the psychoactive qualities of cannabis sativa have recently made it harder for farmers to produce this immensely beneficial crop. Hemp has a similar texture to cotton, but it also feels somewhat like canvas. Hemp fabric is not susceptible to shrinkage and it is highly resistant to piling. Since fibers from this plant are long and sturdy, hemp fabric is very soft, but it is also highly durable. While a typical cotton t-shirt lasts 10 years at the most, a hemp t-shirt may last double or triple this time, or double or triple that time. Some estimates suggest that hemp fabric is 3 times stronger than cotton fabric. In addition, hemp is a lightweight fabric, which means that it is highly breathable, and it also effectively facilitates the passage of moisture from the skin to the atmosphere. So it is ideal for hot climates. It is easy to dye this type of fabric, and it is highly resistant to mold, mildew, and potentially harmful microbes. Hemp fabric softens with each washing, and its fibers don't degrade even after dozens of washings. Since it's also relatively easy to produce organic hemp sustainably, this textile is practically ideal for clothing. The primary use of hemp fabric is apparels. Examples of garments commonly made with hemp include dresses, skirts, pants, jackets, t-shirts, hoodies, and clothing for children. Hemp fabric is also used in home textiles, particularly for making towels due to its high absorbency and durability. To know more about fabrics and to know how we can help your apparel and home furnishing business grow, contact us at +91 98184 35005 or simply visit us at charu.org.in. Do remember to watch my series on different type of silks. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel named Charu Creation Private Limited and press the bell icon to get more infos on fabrics. Thank you.